to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, you know. Anywhere on the world, big up on yourself. In the Caribbean, you see me? In the USA, you see me? In the South America, in the Eastern America, in the next America, you see me? In the Europe, you see me? In the Africa, in the Asia, anywhere on the day. Attack. My people, here we go now. Vybz Kartel. Zine, I look at thing going with Vybz Kartel and Mecca. You see me? So, I look at video circulate on social media. We can see the international dancehall legend, dancehall star, Vybz Kartel, Adidja Palmer. Basically, it's security guard them. You see me? Them are holy man thing. You know what I mean? The video they circulate, the next video circulate when you see like people did it with towel and something. You see what me I show you? You done, yeah, you see what me I talk, right? Boom. That we are talking about. So, a lot of people have this, a lot of people have that we say. You see me? A lot of people have good, a lot of people have bad things to say about the artist. Which, this is Vybz Kartel. You understand? So we expect, when it comes to Kartel, when it forward to Kartel, anything, you can expect from society. You see me? So, let me tell you this, people. And before me ever start with dropping into the topic more and more, I just want to say, have you ever been in Vybz Kartel shows before you pass your judgment and pass your remarks, say how them on a party and how him a go on so him need to stop and him a act like him a picnic and him a big old man need to go sit down? Have you been into this man's shoes? Number one, this man was out there, you know, before him get incarcerated, living life, enjoying life. You see me? Being an entertainer, you get me? Him get incarcerated in that movements there. You see me? Basically, them say 13 years him do behind bars. Him forward out now, my people. So why you think him forward out now? We think him a go to sit down and sleep and drink and yam and shit and piss? Look into things, the man. You think, see that him a go do? No. The artist forward out, my people. And if I was in Vybz Kartel shoes, which me not in any shoes, but me enjoy life is sure. You see me? Me would do me da enjoy life to the fullest. Because this man miss out on a lot. If Vybz Kartel go around him youth, them a problem. If a man stays a boom and go in a one club, go around couple ladies is a problem. If a man go in the studio, go voice a song a problem. If the man stay in yard and chill and relax a problem. So, what the man not live for? The man not live for honor. The man not live for himself and his family. Lord, the man make the man live star. Attack for honor. Leave the man make the man live, man. Let the man go make a people. Then we understand say him a go through a Graves disease thing. We understand that. Wish the man forward for interview and the man same health. It a go on good. You see me? Based on what him a do, you feel a Kartel a fool. Vybz Kartel have one life to live. Zane, one life God give him. This man know him have a problem with this disease, my people. You feel say if this man doctor tell him say can't do this and can't do that because him a go, you feel same with that do it? You feel say same stupid? This man way buy big mansion the other day, buy the latest Porsche the other day. You understand? A plan to travel the world and you feel say if him know say if him drink look a wine or drink look a champagne or what he want do when we are talk wine in a buckle, you know. You see me? You feel say if him know say this a go damage him and put his life in a danger him a go do it? Question. Me soon not talk say him stop exercise and him stop do this and stop do that. Question is, saying because I love people business, you know. Vybz Kartel, 24 hours make one day, people. You see me? If him fall and drop couple seconds of video, when last you see him do an interview, like our interview, we seen the couple interview, when last? You see me? When you see him go live and they put a long set of live, if you shall check the seconds them or the minutes of video when him drop, you don't reach 1 hour. You see me? It don't reach that even half an hour. 24 hour make one day. If him further show and look a video with him and I'm in bed with him, Empress him, fiance see them, show you around him, look a youth them, you understand? Show you around him friends or whatever, show you eat some breakfast, lunch or dinner. You see me? That still no make up, you know. 3 hours out of 24, you still have 21 left. So, if you wanna see him drop a video, you gonna say him na exercise, him na in a kimana exercise. Or you forward and say these things about the artist. Say yo him just step past judgment, but as me say, anything Vybz Kartel do, society always gonna have something to say because that's how important Vybz Kartel is. That is how. You see me? If Vybz Kartel drop one piece of video on IG, you know, or on TikTok, where you want forward, but you know, feed day, you know. Me I tell you no for no mad, you know, go crazy, you know, go now wait, you know. Just like on now wait for him drop a next hit song, you know. And so now wait, you know. Because anything Vybz Kartel drop a hit right now. Any song the artist drop a hit. Anything Vybz Kartel drop a hit. Nothing can stop it a hit. The man further, the man just put out few seconds over this up on IG with a song. You understand me, people? Look on this.
Did they give a fuck about a nigga? Fuck your girl and send her to you. Pussy, how I really do you? Makes the red bull with the white brown.
And when the man stays up and do that, it will take on to it already. I hit already. That's how Vybz Kartel is, the people. The man is a genius. You see me? So, the man go Mecca, drink up a thing. You understand he was really enjoying himself and thing have fun, my people. You don't know the thing go. The man did do a video, you know. And so we are going to make a party, you know. So the people need to turn up, you know. You understand? Turn out to the thing, you know. Further enjoy yourself, you know. The man did done say it already, you know. So why you not going to act like so, you know? Really and truly. Why? It doesn't make sense to me. It does not make sense to me. The man don't showcase, you know. The man don't tell you already. You see me? The man does have a few over the limit, my people. And it can't happen to anybody at all. None of we not perfect. You drink. Or you mean one day you maybe go over the limit there. You understand? The man does feel a little weird and yet look up. But we're not going to start about the man I got dead. He's soon dead because him this and the personal remarks. And me see some comments, man. Them they done predict him dead already and he not have long to live. And if I saw him go, he never can go perform for 5 minutes at the show as free. Yo, this is Vybz Kartel. Let him got a smart general, listen up. This a general and a fool. You understand? But as me say, anybody at all we can feel nice and feel nicer and nicer and nicer when they drink. You understand? None of we not perfect. So if the man that happened to me whole heap of time, we in the club, you know what I mean? The pressure, the intoxication. You see me? And I just say body set. Our body this. Anything can happen, people. None of we not perfect. So if you watch them remarks that want to pass about the artists, watch them talks that because remember we have a life too. When you not go wish dead pan a man, you know. We have a life to have family too. Careful I wanna wish the people, yo. Not because I am named Vybz Kartel. You understand? Not because I am gonna have to be careful. You see me? Una have to be careful, but when I check it out, my people. Look at the man, what Kartel they say. The more them fighter, the stronger we get. You understand? And remember this to my people. You understand? The more una eat, you know, and the more love are forward. Because when I check it out in the comment section, anyway you see that them drop that video there. You understand when them in the club in Mecca. Look under the comment and see if you see more love than eat. More love than eat. Some of uno eat Kartel because you know bad mind Kartel. You know eat him, you know, because you know what I mean, I just bad mind. Because when you not seeing drop a new ride porn, you not seeing drop a new mansion porn, and what's a girl shan we call them, you know. A girl shan and we call the ride them whip. You understand? When you seeing drop a new whip and then drop a new girl shan porn, You understand? And him get closer to him family. And he start showcasing certain things and put on some more expensive diamonds. How do you feel? Bad man a killer though. You know go dead. You understand? So one thing me I tell you, no man. You can't stop Kartel from live. You can't. As me said the other day, and me say that people they can't take when me say yo, the more you bad mind Kartel, the more money I make. I remember me telling that. A richer and richer the boss I get. You know more bad mind. So Vybz Kartel love a bad mind on a bad mind. Him and him love the dirty negative talks them on a game. Because what? The man does a go some. He does a blow. Blessings are flow. You understand? Blessings are flow. And that's the truth and reality, people. We don't one-sided with no vlogging here, so you don't know my thing. Go. You understand? If I attack for job, I attack for job. But people big up on yourself, anyone of them in the world, my people. Anyone of them in the world. I want the people to know this. Look here. We have a platform. It's a community. This called local. You understand? It's a popular thing website. And all you have to do, become a member. Because exclusive content, my people. Because you know, so we have some content. You understand? Them uncensored content we can't post over us up on YouTube like some raw footage with certain things that happen. But here we go on. We build this thing here on this platform here. Local. Set up my account. Just because a lot of time I feel like the people must say, NEWLINK, we can't see the video, we can't see the video. So simple. Just become a member. You understand? Check below in the description in the community also for the link. And just go over there and become a member of the local community. And these are the attacking boss. This is how we have built a family. You understand? You can, when you do your subscription over the people, you have access to plenty things. That's why it's like you're part of NEWLINK thing. Yeah, we should not partner, but there's a more part of it. So a simple thing, and it's safe and it's secured. You understand? Become a part of the local community. Big up on the summer people. Remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. You understand? Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. One team, one dream, one scheme. Peace out, my people, and be safe. Vybz Kartel. Big up on the summer, brother. Peace out. Blessing.
Most girls love me so, them kiss, them hug me so. Some say, oh, you're ugly so, but I don't know if some say so. Cause them still want send and pussy all the dumb say so. True, they act like Mexico. When we pull up in the tiger man, I Mexico. Girls say, watch out, oh, she a work, I respond to Pepsi so. Me no cowboy from El Paso, why you love pick up El Paso? Cause a big girl will tell us so, and we don't need El Paso. Me and my son no touch man pants, you know tell us so. Oh, 19 man and 20 so, with them 2 and empty so. See Batman and a 10 so, when me gun bust 20 so. Any mention so. What you say? What you say? What you say? Anyway the girl them there, and they there. Anyway the girl them are there? Freedom Street, December 31st. No? Oh, around.